Okay, so here we're going to be drawing the moss gametophyte cross-section, and of course we're going to start on the outside with our epidermis, and then we see some layers on the inside. So you can kind of see some bluish tinted cells that kind of make a ring, and then some darker cells inside that. And then you even have some kind of spots of blue. So the layers that we have would be the epidermis. Here, this interior area would be our cortex, all of that. The bluish tinted area will be made of leptoids, and that section then would be known as the leptome. Then the inner stalk, that's going to be the hadron, made of hydroids, the cells. And these cells of the hadron, they lack a secondary cell wall, but they do not have a protoplast at maturity, similar to the tracheids of more derived lines. For the leptoids, they as well have some similarities with some more of the derived sieve tube members. So while they do have a living protoplast, they do not have a nucleus at maturity, similar to those sieve cells. Right. In this case, I'm not seeing any parenchyma cells, which would be large and thin-walled. Pretty much all of the cells in this cortex that we're seeing are thicker-walled cells used in support called sterids. So I'm going to fill this in with some color, and then we'll come back. Alright, so I filled in some color to kind of match what we're seeing in the slide, but generally speaking, the epidermis is on the outer layer, followed by the cortex, basically full of sterids. Then we have kind of a ring of the leptoids, which transport photosynthate. Kind of that region would be known as the leptome, and then inside that we have a central core called the hydrome, made up of the hydroid cells.